Here's the app Alight Mobile. So just tap Get to install it and then double click to install. You'll easily be able to install it. Benefits on the go. Access your employer benefits, health, retirement, and payroll details anytime, anywhere. Alight Mobile app is available for any employee and benefit participants of companies that partner with Alight Solution to administer their HR and benefit programs. Once logged in, you can access your personal benefits information wherever and whenever needed. Use this app to find a doctor or urgent care clinic, enroll in important benefits, review your medical plan and spend, review your 401k contribution election and make changes. If needed, review your pension benefits, see if you're on track for retirement, all of the things. But of course, like features available on this app are dependent on your employer's benefit plan. So yeah, that's what it is. Just depending, if your employer is using this app, then you should be able to use it. It's actually pretty cool that this is available as an app. It's quite convenient right on your fingertips, and then you can just open it up, allow notifications, and then you just, need to find your employer, like for example, and then, so here you can just instantly search for and then you can just register a login. So then you'll just be able to register, and then what you will need, like for example, if your employer is on this app, then you will just need first, last name, email, date of birth, last four digits of SSN, username, password, and confirm password, and then that's what it is. If you can't find your employer, then that's what it is.